Welcome students. In this class we are going to see chapter 2. Topic is numbers and sequences. The students must watch the video and copied all the sums in the new class note and write the homework in the backside of the same note. Now we will see the topic special series. Let we see the sum of the formulas. Sum of first n natural numbers, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Example 2.54. Find the values of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus 50. So this is the natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 50. So we take a formula. We know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is our formula. Here instead of n place we have 50. So we substitute instead of n 50. So 50 into 50 plus 1 by 2. 50 into 50 plus 1 we have 51 by 2. Here we cancel 25. 51 into 25. 25 to 10. So our answer is 1275. Next is second sum. 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus up to 75. Here the numbers start from 16 and end to 75. But we apply the formula only the numbers start from 1. We know the formula, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This is our formula. Here we apply this formula when the question start from 1, 1, 2, 3 etc. and so on. But here see that 16, 17, 18 and so on. The question did not start from 1, but we make the question start from 1. How do we do? See the last number here 75. So we take a last number 75. See the first number here 16. 16 before number is 15. So we make the question like that: 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus last number is 75 minus of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. This number is 15 plus 15. So we going to apply formula for 75 and 15. So we are going to apply the formula for 75 and 15 and we are going to subtract, means we get the answer for 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus up to 75. Here listen, I explain. Here we take 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 75. In between the numbers are there 15 plus 16 plus 17 and so on. Here we are going to first find the sum of 1 to 75 and we are going to find the sum of 1 to 15, means we subtract these two value, means we get the value for the sum of 16 to 75. So this is our question. We want 16 to 75 sum. So using this concept we are going to subtract 1 to 75 and 1 to 15, and from 75 value we subtract the 15 value, means we get the answer for 16 to 75. Here we apply the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Here also apply the formula n into n plus 1 by 2. Here instead of n we substitute 75. So 75 into 75 plus 1 by 2 minus here 15. 15 into 15 plus 1 by 2. Here 75 into 75 plus 1 we have 76 by 2 minus 15 into 16 by 2. Here we cancel. 2 table, 2 3s are 6, 8 times, here 8 times. So 75 into 38, 2, 2. So we have 2850. Here 8 5s are 40, remainder 4, 120. So our answer is 2730. Example 2.56. Find the sum of 1 square plus 2 square plus up to 19 square. This is the sum of the first square natural number. We know the formula that 1 square plus 2 square plus etc. plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is our formula. Here instead of n we have the number 19. So 19 into n plus 1. So 19 plus 1. 2 into 19 plus 1 by 6. Here 19 into 19 plus 1 we have 20. 19 2s are 38 plus 1 39 by 6. Here we cancel. 2 3s are 2 10s are. Here 3 table 13. So 19 into 13 5 1. So we have the answer 2470. Next second sum, 15 square plus 16 square plus 17 square plus 28 square. Here this is the sum of the first n natural square numbers, but this question, our question is not start from 1. So we make the question start from 1. First we write the formula, that is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is our formula. Here we make the question start from 1. So we see the last number, that is 28. So we round the number 28. Here the first number is 15. 15 before number is 14. So we make the question 1 to last number 28 and 1 to the number is 14. First number is 14. So we write here 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to the last number is 28 square minus of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus up to first number is 14. So 14 square. Here we apply the formula. Instead of n, here 28. So we write 28 into n plus 1. N plus 1 is 28 plus 1 we have 29 into 2 into n plus 1, that is 2 into 28, that is 2 into 28 is, that is 56. 56 plus 1 we have 57 by formula is 6 minus here the last number is 14. So n is 14 into 14 plus 1 we have 15 into here 2 into 14. 2 into 14 we have 28. 28 plus 1 we have 29 by 6. Now we cancel in 2 table. 2 3s are 14 times. 19 times. Here 2 3s are here 7 times. Here 5 times. So that we multiply means we have the answer 7714 minus here multiply means we have the answer 1014. 15. Here subtract means we have the answer 6699. Next example 2.57. Find the sum of here 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to plus 16 cube. Here the formula sum of the first n cube numbers, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. This is our formula. Here instead of n we apply here 16. So 16 into 16 plus 1 by 2 the whole square. 16 into 17 by 2 the whole square. It cancel 8. 6 136. 136 square, that is 136 into 136. This is nothing but 18,496. Next second sum 9 cube plus 10 cube plus up to plus 21 cube. Here we see that the number not start from 1. So we make the question start from 1. We know the formula, that is cube formula is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Here the number not start from 1, so we take the last number 21 and before the first number we have 9 before 8. So we write 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. The last number is 21 cube. Minus of, again we take 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. The first number is 8. So 8 cube. Here we apply the formula. Here 21. So 21 into 21 plus 1 we have 22 by 2 whole square. Minus of here 8. So 8 into 8 plus 1 we have 9. 9 by 2 we have square. So we cancel here 11 times, here 4 times. Here 21 into 11 we have 231 the whole square. Here 9 fours are 36 the whole square. Here 21 the whole square is 53361, that is 231 whole square is 53361. 36 whole square is we have 1296. After subtracting we have the value 52065. Here sum of first n add natural number. Let me see the one of the formula. Here 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to n terms. The formula is n square. Next 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to 2n minus 1, that is last term is given means we have the two formula, that is n is equal to, first we find n and then we make a n square. The n formula is n is equal to L minus a by d plus 1 and then we find a n square. So we have a two formula for add natural number. That in the add natural numbers we have a up to n terms means n square. The last term is given means we have first to find n and then n square, where n formula is L minus a by d plus 1. Next sum, example 2.55. Find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to 40 terms. Here the question 1 plus 3 plus 5. So this is the add numbers. We know that the sum of the first n add numbers is, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 2n minus 1. That is the sum of the first n add natural numbers is nothing but n square. This is our formula. Sum of the first n are natural number. Here n is nothing but the number of terms is n is nothing but a number of terms here 40. So instead of n we apply 40. 40 square is equal to 4 4s are 16 0 0. So this is our answer. Next sum 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. up to plus 55. Here also the sum of add numbers, but here the up to terms are not given, but the last term is given, that is 55. Here we know the formula, that is n square, but we don't know what is n. So we are going to find a n means n formula is equal to L minus a by d plus 1. This is the formula for n. Here L is nothing but a last term, a is a first term, and d is a difference between the two terms. Here L is the last term. What is last term here? Here L is equal to 55. A is a first term. First term is nothing but 1. D is a difference between the two terms, that is 3 minus 1, 5 minus 3, that is 2. So n is equal to L 55 minus 1 by d. D is a 2 plus 1. Here 55 minus 1 we have 54 by 2 plus 1. Cancel means we have 27. So n is equal to 28. So by using this n, we have the formula, the sum of the first n add natural numbers is n square. So our question is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus etc. plus 55 is nothing but n square. Here n is nothing but here 28 square. 28 square is the answer for 784. Next sum 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus etc. plus 80. Here all the numbers in even number. We don't know the formula for even number. So let we take a common number outside. That is we take a 2 outside. So here 1. That is 2 ones are 2. Plus here 2. 2 2s are 4. Here 2 3s are 6. Here up to plus 40. That is 2 40s are 80. Here 2 into, now we apply the formula, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc. plus 40. That is a formula n into n plus 1 by 2. That is the sum of the first n natural number formula. Instead of n here 40. So 40 into n plus 1 41 by 2. Here we cancel 20. These are 4. 4 into 41 1640. Next example 2.56 third sum. Here listen, 5 square plus 10 square plus 15 square plus etc. plus up to 105 square. Here the numbers are not in continuous, that is 5, 10, 15 and so on. So let we take a outside. Here 5 square, 10 square, 15 square is there. So we take a outside number 5 square. So inside we have 1 square, 2 square, 3 square plus up to plus 21 square. Because 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 21s are 105. So we take a 5 square outside. Here 5 square is nothing but 25. Here we see this is the formula for sum of the first n square natural number. We know the formula, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Instead of n we apply 21. So 21 into 21 plus 1 we have 22. 42 plus 1 43 by 6. Let me cancel 2 table 3 times. Here 11 times, 7 times. Next we multiply all this number, that is 25 into 7 into 11 into 43 means we get the answer 82775. Next exercise 2.9. First sum 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. up to 96. Here is a number 369, that is in 3 table. So let we take 3 outside here. So here 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9 plus etc. plus here 96. So we have 32. 3 32s are 96. So 3 into here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to 32. So this is the sum of the first n natural number formula, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. Instead of n we substitute here 32. So 32 into 32 plus 1 we have 33 by 2. So cancelling 16. When we multiply all the number means we have the answer 1584. Next sum here 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus etc. plus 225. Listen, these are all the numbers, square numbers, that is 1 is nothing but 1 square, 4 is nothing but 2 square, 9 is we writing as 3 square, 16 as 4 square plus etc. 225 as 15 square. Now see that 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus etc. plus up to 15 square. This is the formula for sum of the first n square natural number. So we have the formula 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus etc. plus n square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So here instead of n we apply 15. So 15 into 15 plus 1 we have 16 into 2 into 15 30 plus 1 31 by 6. Now we cancel in 2 table 3 times. 3 table 2 times 5 times. Here 8 times. We multiplied 5 into 8 into 31 means we get 1240. Thank you students.